Welcome back, everyone. I got a message that there was a train headed north. We're here by Timberline Road and Styles. Lots of tankers here. Or Ford, whatever. Nobody really said what was on this train. Seems to be pretty long because as I was coming past East Styles Tower Road, I could see across from there. It's about another mile, a little over a mile maybe up from East Styles Tower Road. I barely got here and got out of the truck to video it coming through. Old Boston, the Black Impala, was sitting at the crossing on play. Have to stop it all. The car is gone now. Lots of empty center beams on this one. Here, I wonder if these will be going back to O'Connell Falls, or if these will continue on north, maybe to like Pullman or Pullman Pound, I should say, or if they'll continue farther north. I don't know yet. Definitely a little warmer today than it was Monday night. Unfortunately, I won't be able to video any switching. I do have to get back to work. If this is the 47 car train that 1221 pulled out of the CN yard on Monday and then parked on the siding. This blue center beam here with the tank car right behind it is the one I saw across the East Styles Tower Road on my way up here to Timberline. So, well, how far ahead the engines were compared to when I saw them there. Some open metal cars. be going to the falls. Definitely recognize the Union Pacific bright yellow boxcar here. That's our son's favorite one. Here's the end of it. What color Freddy do you guys think? Orange Freddy. Alright, have a great day everyone. Quick little snippet of it here running along Highway 141 going through Stiles. You can see this is definitely a pretty long train. Go up the quick trip here at Stiles Junction. See if they break all these granders off at Dwayne Road, which I'm going to guess. Try to pull that front section past Highway 22. Like I say, we'll see what they do. Maybe we can catch some more video. Otherwise, no idea of how long the train is. Here they come north up the Stiles Junction. The crossing light should come on here shortly. It doesn't appear that they stopped to drop any cars. There goes the crossing lights. Crew members are in the engine, so I don't think they're stopping to drop any cars unless they're gonna drop them farther north on the siding. Yeah, I'm on the side of the old highway here. I got my hazards on. There's that way there, nobody can holler off the side of the road. It's funny the looks you get from people when they realize you're videoing a freight train. We all have our different hobbies, right? Seat heaters on, that's warm. Almost appears as though they're gonna stop. That would be pretty crazy. don't think they'll stop and block the highway. They're sure going slow. I apologize for the flasher noise going there, but like I say, I just want to be good and make sure that people realize I'm stopped here on the shoulder. Approaching the end. Let it go through. Looks like they got quite the line up on 22 East. Highway 22 West isn't too bad. Only back to just about to 141. Looking across, they're definitely lined up on the west side of the tracks headed east. Alright everyone, I hope you guys like this video. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Feel free to share the video. Tell your friends. Subscribe to Nothing Gets Done Garage. I'm gonna have to change the name of this channel. I don't know what yet. Give me some ideas. Alright everyone, have a great day.